Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel, as you guys can see, I am going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, I'm gonna be unboxing this on camera. Also, alongside this video, I'm gonna be uploading a what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're gonna get right into this video. This is just gonna be a nice little, but yeah, this is gonna be just a very basic little video for you guys. So I'm gonna change the angle in a second to where you are getting my overview of this. I'm so excited. All right guys, so as you can see here, now you guys are at this up angle of the box. I'm gonna be taking my trusty knife out and we are going to begin unboxing this item. Okay, so also I'm trading in my current iPhone right now. So I don't know if it's gonna provide, oh my gosh. Guys, hold up. It's stuck. Oh, Apple has it, so in the box it's very latched down. Apple has it secure. Ooh, okay. So, I'm very excited. Oh my goodness, guys, it already looks so pretty. I don't even want to take it out the box. Oh wow. Okay, wow. Okay, wow. Let's turn it around for the camera to see, get a good look of that box. Okay guys, so I am backwards to you guys, so now we're back at this table sitting position, but as you can see here, the box looks really pretty. I actually collect a lot of the Apple boxes. If you watch my cleaning out my closet video, I have so many like Apple boxes. So here is the iPhone box. As you guys can see, it does say iPhone on the side of it, not iPhone 11, just iPhone. So now we are going to open it up. Okay guys, so here is my knife. And I don't know if I'm gonna have to use it. It's just a pull. Oh, so maybe I guess I don't need the knife. Okay, bye knife. Here it is, iPhone. I just love plastic, like ASMR moment. But here's the box, and here we go. I'm so nervous. Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow. Okay, more montage shots now. So here is the simple little, oh, hallelujah. It is amazing, guys. Wow. So the difference between an iPhone X and also the X has the same build as the XS. So here is the difference, guys, and we're going to investigate the rest of this box right here. So as you guys can see, it says designed by Apple in California, and you pull it out, you get your hello guide, everything that you're gonna need to know. Also, you're gonna get your SIM card ejector if you need one. I don't need it because I don't have a SIM card in my phone. Apple stickers, always get the Apple stickers, and I guess just labeling stuff. Moving on, of course, you get your earpods that are just the basic headphones that go with the lightning connector jack. And then you get a fast charger, so this is different from previous models. You get the little fast track, and this helps you charge a lot faster. As you can see, the end of this thing is not a USB. This helps charge your phone a lot faster. So cool that Apple shipped it with this. All right, hello, hola. Okay, so excited. Okay, so swipe up, English, United States, quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby. Okay. If you want to start, you will need to bring it nearby and sign. Okay, so as you can see, this iPhone now is wanting to do the quick start. So unlock. This phone is charged. Hold up, this is so cool. Okay, so this is how you set it up. Okay, so it is in the process of restoring all of my apps at the moment. All right guys, so that is it for my iPhone X Plus Max unboxing video. If you guys are interested in more iPhone X Plus Max, whatever it's called at this point, content, make sure you guys go over to the channel you're watching right now, subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, and watch my What's on my iPhone X Pro Max video. And I think that is all that I need to say, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Okay.